We're engaged by Anglo American to supply and install the four gantries. Once our site team got hold of them, they removed the old gantries and installed the new ones.
It was really well planned and organised, and that showed through to the execution. There was over 18,000 hours in the project. That's fabrication, blast painting, transport, installation. In that 18,000 hours, we didn't even open up a first aid kit. That's a success of a project.
To have no recordable injuries over that period of time was an outstanding achievement that needs to be celebrated.
We've got good systems, good procedures. We drive safety not just from the top, it's just driven right from the very word go when they come on board.
Everybody's got to buy into it, and if you buy into it, then well, it's driven by yourself.
Safety is one of our core values, along with community, people and quality, and that's in no particular order. So safety is very, very high on the agenda. It's part of our job. It's not tacked onto the side of our job. It becomes the job. And people understand that and realise that. We are there to look after each other.